what is going on YouTube? We're out here doing some fishing. We're doing the Bud Light tournament. Just cut some bait. It's about 8:42. Gonna figure it out. Gonna go out to the bridge rubble today. Try to get up on some king and some Spanish. Stay tuned. It's gonna be an interesting day. There he is.
Oh.
Barracuda.
Little baby barracuda?
Yeah. Caught that on camera. Hold on.
Bring it around the side of the boat. Other side of the boat. Don't try to cross the boat.
You're gonna.
Go over the top of the boat, man. There we go. Stay where you are. Stay where you are. There we go. You got one. Oh, you got another.
That's a king. Got it.
Wire him or what?
Yep.
Reel it up, man. Reel it up.
Here. You gotta keep the boat moving, or should we stop it?
I got 600 yards of line on that.
Okay.
I just want to get these rods in so when he does something with the boat, it's
Pretty decent sized fish here. Yeah, let me see it. He's not happy.
on the port side.
All right.
So give me a second, baby. I'll come
Yeah.
back over control.
All right.
Okay, go up.
Crank your level on it. Crank your level on it.
We're off.
Top from the top, and this rod. There you go. Nice and straight. Cool, baby. You have a problem?
Yeah.
Stick it anywhere, there you go. Stick it right where it's holding. There you go. We're taking it off this side of the boat. We're good. We're good. Okay. Taking the other side. Here on this side.
Yep.
Okay, bump forward. Straight. Keep the boat straight, baby.
Holy shit.
That's pretty good.
That's a nice king, buddy. Good
Back
job.
up. Back. So the rod in the holder. Everybody back up.
Oh, that's awesome, Tyler.
I told you we could.
That's about a what, 20?
No, he's bigger than that.
No, he's
probably
not.
15, 17.
No, he's trust me, I was
He's
with you
15
on
to
that.
17. I told you they're out here.
Awesome.
What do we do now?
We'll just let him come off.
Do
Yeah.
I put it in neutral? I'm asking about the boat.
Go ahead and get the boat moving. Okay? Get the boat moving.
He didn't look that big until we got him.
Okay,
Yeah.
just let it go. You gotta keep that fish on that side of the boat, Tyler, at all costs, okay?
All right. Go ahead.
Don't turn into it. Don't turn into it. Do not turn into it. You gotta let it get. You keep reeling. You don't have to necessarily come back on it if you keep reeling. You take that slack out. You know what I mean? There you go.
You got it, Mom. Good job. Good fish, Mom. That's huge. Big amberjack. Humongous amberjack.
That's a good amberjack. Okay. Not really the right species, Mark, but hey.
Take it like that, Tyler.
All right. What is going on, YouTube? We are headed to the weigh-in. We're gonna hop on the boat, put the fish in the boat, and head over to Flounders and weigh the fish in so we don't have to deal with the beach traffic. Everybody from Pensacola knows how beach traffic is on Saturdays and Sundays, especially Sundays after church. Hopefully we get a good result. I'm thinking I know what the weight of the fish is, but I don't want to say too soon, so I overshoot the weight. But it was a fun experience. Definitely gonna do this again. Shout out to Flounders and Bud Light for putting on this tournament. It's always a good cause. A lot of the money goes to charity. Well, we'll get back at you and see where we're at, guys.
Yoxi.
Wait until 12 o'clock here at Flounders. Not many people here, so it should be a good time to weigh in. Hot, a little rough on the way out here. Let's see how it goes. I'm gonna say 18.5. Trio.
Surprised you didn't say realistically. Say it again, but say realistically.
Realistically, 18.5.
Tail. Down next to the tail. There you go. What was it?
135. Come on, spit it out. What you got?
What?
Spit it out. What you got?